Welcome back to Industry Week 2025 and our coverage. Today we are at SEMA. This afternoon I'm at Klipboard with John Fischer, Vice President of Sales and Marketing with Klipboard.
Nice to meet you.
It's great to meet you. So the first question I want to ask you today, what are some of the biggest challenges shops are facing in the industry? And what are some of the things that shop managers can do to help alleviate these challenges?
Well, it's a good question, Eric. I think, I talk to dealers out in the field and I hear all the time the number one challenge is people, right? Is attracting people, is retaining people. I think secondly, another obstacle is just increasing sales, increasing margin. And I really think that companies or shops that invest in technology and technology can really help those two obstacles. Like take for the first one for people, young workers today, they want to work for a shop that is investing in technology. They want using digital inspection tools, having a good website, having a great point of sale system. With the point of sale system, you want a system with technology that has a digital inspection. You're communicating with customers, you're sending texts and pictures of what's wrong with the car, and able to create quotes and work orders correctly with the right prices, being able to see what their costs are, using labor guides that show exactly what labor I'm going to be having in it to really make sure that they're getting good profitability.
Absolutely. Those things are key to remain profitable as a business owner, for sure. So how do you see automation and AI tools shaping the industry in the next 5 to 10 years?
Eric, that's another really good question. So AI, there's a lot of hype out there, but really AI is changing a lot of things. I'm sure you use ChatGPT and all the other tools that are out there, and it's just awesome, right? So I really encourage people that are here at the show to talk to the software companies that are out here to see, okay, how have they integrated AI into their platforms? Different areas of marketing, helping with stocking of inventory. Today's shop owners, they spend a lot of time before hours, after hours, putting together reports, deciding on what to stock and what not to stock, right? So AI can really help. So I really encourage showgoers here to look at the software companies like us, Klipboard. We at Klipboard, 5 of the top 10 largest retailers in North America use us as their point of sale provider. So we really encourage dealers to look at what shops or what software companies are doing in their platforms and what's planned.
Yeah, again, another key feature for any shop owner, anybody who's trying to manage a business to maintain all their inventory and try to stay profitable. That's awesome. If you're talking to a shop owner with limited resources and limited availability right now, what's an area they really can focus on putting their dollars to really make a difference in the next 5 to 10 years?
Well, if you look back over the last 5 years, you see, most shops, they bought a point of sale system, right? They've separately bought a website. They've separately have done e-commerce and appointment calendar and maybe catalog content. And a lot of times they're buying this all from different companies. So I would really encourage shops to really look at a technology company like Klipboard, and there's many others out there, that really have all the aspects of what a shop needs for technology to really bring everything together. Because not only are buying it from one source, now all of these technologies that have in the past have been all through different applications, we're all connecting those together, so it's one cohesive product, and they're going to save money, really more bang for the buck.
Absolutely, that's wonderful insight. So again, I really appreciate your time letting us stop by today and take a look at your booth and everything you guys have to offer. So
much.
Appreciate it.
Thank
Take
you.
care.
Thank you.
Yep, thank you.